guys, welcome back to episode or part 2 of the Coaster Chaos thing. So this is Kittens Coaster.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. I forget which one I wanted to do.
It doesn't matter. You'll probably pick it if you pick the one you want.
I might do the phase turbine.
Yeah, I told you it's a really good coaster because it has really cool lights and stuff.
So where should I build?
The station is pretty small, so I think you could build in here and then build the station the same length as mine so that you can add decorations and stuff and have plenty of room. Oh, and you can color it whatever you want as well. And also share your screen. The viewers won't be able to see, but I'll be able to.
Can we put it here for a second while we figure this out?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to need to stop sharing or else I can't click on some things.
Really? Oh, you can just click hide.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Bit of technical difficulties. But I'll try and follow your coaster. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, though. Yeah, but like I said, ride operations and max height limit. So you can do basically whatever you want. Okay, we're starting off with a chain lift. Looks like Kitten's gonna do a straight up. Sorry, I didn't put that angle there. Let's see what happens if I jump onto it and then he places some. Oh, you're going in advanced editor for a corkscrew. I think I just got stuck.
How did you know?
You're literally sharing your screen.
Oh, yeah.
You need to do a chain lift on the next one. Yeah.
So, how do I do that?
Oh, in pieces. You see track feature. And it says normal. On the right, next to build.
Oh.
Chain lift. That's why you also do booster and... So yeah. This is probably not going to be as entertaining as mine because with mine you got to like see my point of view and stuff. Probably a bit more entertaining. But yes, this is Kitten's Coaster. This is just going to be Kitten, so... Okay, right now he's trying to figure out how to do this corkscrew because the angle just won't work. Oh, and also you can just go into normal and change it.
How do I... Okay, yeah, I don't like advanced animation.
Okay, so you can just go in normal. You can also change the bank. Sorry guys, I'll zoom down. Yes, see, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, you guys, this is Kitten's Park next to there. There's this floppa, there's a bunch of trash. I don't know why he doesn't put enough trash cans.
Because I can't put them there, it doesn't allow me.
Wait, what? Okay, that's just confusing.
At least I don't think.
That's just straight up confusing. But yeah, Kitten's Park is pretty cool. Yeah, as you can see, bigger height limit. You realize you can go higher than that, right?
I know.
Yeah, you should. I don't know. It's up to you. I would just go as high as possible if it were me building this. Although, yeah, you gotta keep in mind, oh, you've only spent 4,000. Yeah, you got plenty of money. Or, I guess not. I do, really, but Kitten's the one building the coaster. It's a pretty good amount of money to build a coaster, 100K. Right now, he's doing... Oh, there's half loops? Or, no. I still haven't figured out how to do a half loop up. It just never works. Don't know why. Hold up, ASMR real quick. Chip. It's not satisfying. but whatever. Okay, right now, as you can see, hopefully, I should probably get a better angle. Sorry about that. I'm just excited to ride this. Like, honestly, I just want to ride it. Yeah, don't do that many boosters because you're probably going to put the booster power to 100%. Oh, you don't need a chain lift there.
Oh, I don't?
No.
Yeah, sorry if I'm being...
Yeah, that's fine. But, yeah, you don't need a chain lift there because if my calculations are correct, sorry for being mathy there. Then, if I'm correct, then you don't need a chain lift because you'll have enough speed. So, yeah. Yeah, and chain lift power at 250% would probably be good. Let's just take a moment to admire the great colors of our carousel. That's just amazing. And then the Ukrainian style stuff. Okay, so right now, Kittens only spent $20,000, and he has a great coaster. His coaster is probably going to be better than mine. If I could redo my coaster, I would. And I actually might do that, but I'm not sure if it'll give me all my money back. That's the problem. Like, it loses value. So. Or, I guess I could just do another one. Getting 100K really isn't that hard. Okay, Kitten's got the high drop rate.
I gotta delete this part because I forgot to put some channels here.
You really don't need it. Wait, try and get to the height limit.
Oh, I did.
Oh, that's the height limit?
I think. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so it doesn't increase by that much, but as you can guys see, and I'll just prove it real quick right here, you can't increase it by more. So, yeah. Okay, looks like Kitten's going in for a drop. So far, his hasn't really like gone around the park or anything like that like mine did.
Well,
It's
I'm
still
in the
very...
middle of that at the moment.
Oh, okay. I can tell Kitten's coaster is going to be a lot better than mine. But, you know, maybe it won't, maybe it will. We don't know. Seems so much more exciting. I watched Unspeakable play this once, and at first I thought it was super good, but now it's just, this park is at that point in 11 days, so, yeah. Although his might have actually been faster. I'm not sure. Now, no, I'm not saying I'm that good at theme park Tycoon. I am pretty good in my opinion, though. Like, I'm nowhere near as good as, say, Vitamin Delicious. I watch him a lot, so. Shout out to him, even though it doesn't really matter. I'm not promoting him that much, because I'm definitely not have as much subscribers as him. But I think he's pretty cool at theme park Tycoon. He doesn't upload it that much anymore, which is, I don't really like that. But he has a lot of old videos on it, so. And be mindful of your money. You have 40K left.
Yeah.
It's not like you got unlimited money here, so.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go like straight up here.
And then you should probably head back, maybe? No.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Or, yeah, and make it cool with like some bunny hills and corkscrews and stuff.
Yeah.
I think you got enough money for that. trying to get an angle for you guys. Yeah, that should be good because that's like the height limit. So.
Bruh.
I know. I'm just so like upset at how bad. Like, it's not even touching the height limit. Like, it's not even touching the height limit. You guys can't see it, but like, it doesn't even touch the height limit. But Theme Park Tycoon says no. It's just upsetting. Okay, looks like he's going down now. I can see it better than you guys can, but yeah. Dude, just wait until we get to ride the coaster. Like, dude, this park, like, honestly might be my new main park. It's so much just better. Although my other park does have a parking lot. I got inspiration on that from Kitten.
And I got inspiration from that, from just like other parks and kind of the thumbnail of the game.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I get so much in. I want to do so much stuff from the thumbnail of the game. It just looks like I'm not doing much in the park. Because you can decorate it so much.
I know, right?
But like, honestly, theme parks aren't decorated that much, like as people do it. They're really not. Okay, looks like it's coming in. I'll point to where it's going. It'll go there next. Yep. And then, okay, I think I can zoom in. So just make sure you get like the angle right. Yeah, and then don't do it so steep. So yeah, you should probably do a non-steep one. Yep. Now go flat. Yes! Okay, I think let's go in testing before we do entrance and exit. I got this seat.
I can't do entrance and exit without. Oh, wait, I can't.
Okay, get on.
Wait, I can't.
It doesn't. Ah! What?
Oh,
it's just gonna have to wait. But at least I can show the viewers. Yo, the chain lift is just so broken. Yeah, right now Kitten's working on that. What the okay, that's fine.
I didn't know entrance and exit did that. Anyway.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, we should probably fix this.
Here, I'll help with the Q path, because I know where it could go. So.
Yeah, and then, ooh, or it could go through the wall here.
No, I know where it's gonna go. So, we're gonna take it over here. Oh wait, the problem is the exit. Oh, I got it. Okay, we just make the Q path shorter. The Q path really doesn't have to be that long. Like, honestly. Okay.
I'm gonna get like the theme of the coaster. Also, how do I like change like the turbo misses and stuff?
Oh, I can do that for you. You just tell me the power.
Okay, max power on everything.
Everything? Okay. You want this fast, don't you?
Yes.
You realize it's literally gonna speed through your coaster in like 10 seconds, right?
Yeah, that's the fun part.
True. Facts right there. So factual. Just facts. Okay, I'm not sure what gravity multiplier really does, so we're just gonna keep that at default. Okay. So oh, wait, let me exit the path.
Fly to all pieces.
Oh, freak. Okay, it's busy. Hold on. Don't do that for a bit. Okay, stop. Don't do it. I can't place paths otherwise. Okay, now you can continue.
Okay. So appearance.
And whatever the theme is, I'll help you build some decorations for it. This episode is already insanely long, but you know, who cares? Shout out if you stayed to this long. I realize a lot of people just watch like 2 minutes of it and then just leave. Shout out if you made it this far. If you made it this far and comments are on, comment I farted. No. You guys might not comment that. Let's do comment kitten. We'll do that. Oh yeah. Get on. Okay.
Yo, this is fast.
I know, dude. Oh, dude. Oh my god. See what I meant when I told you no chain lift is needed? Do you see what I meant? Do you see what I mean when I said no chain lift needed? You know what I mean now? Yeah. Okay, let's set the price to 50. I think people will like that. Cause the decorations of this. Yeah, let's add some sceneries. Okay, let's see. No one's thinking about it yet. Hold on. Just wait. Delete that real quick. Delete that. Just because we gotta do everything in the theme of the coaster. So what's the theme of the coaster?
Maybe like a what?
I was gonna say maybe some crystals would be nice.
Oh, I was thinking like crisp ocean or something.
That's a thought. Okay, so block manipulation, remove. I'll put some water. Why is it not removing? Why is this not removing? Why will this water?
Crisp ocean coaster.
Crisp. It won't remove. Dude, why will it not remove this?
Wait. If this works, I
What?
swear I'm going to.
What are you trying to do?
Oh, I was gonna try putting water under the
Yeah, I don't know why, but remove isn't working. Let's see if edit terrain height is. No, you can't edit terrain. Why can you not edit terrain? It's not letting us edit terrain. That is so weird. I don't like it. Oh, they think it's too expensive. Okay, let's go.
Let's lower it down to 35.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, 35. They better pay for it. The what? 30.
Let's try 30.
I swear. These dumb people think. Come on. Come on. Please tell me you'll do 30. Finally. What? That person thought it was too expensive.
Yeah, Phoebe said Crisp Ocean Coaster is too expensive.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna have to be 25.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. We don't have much else to do. We might actually do another 100K coaster because I want to redo my coaster. Because, you know. And I think I've noticed something. You can't, like, set a good price for phase turbine coasters.
Yeah.
Like, 40 coasters, you can, like, automatically make 50. Like, no matter what. Here, actually, let's try that. Let's test that theory. That theoretical thing. Okay. For real though, let's test that. Oh, I removed the path. I survived the path removal. Okay. Let's see how much I can charge for a 40 coaster money machine. Just the thought of that.
I have, like, all of my money machines are 4D coasters.
Are what?
4D coasters.
But for real?
Yes.
Bruh. Hold on. Can you? Okay. And then, why can't you do you can't do straight up on a 40 coaster. That's just messed up.
That is wrong.
Okay. Looks like we'll have to try a different coaster.
Oh, should we put the roof onto the underground?
That's a good, You know what I think we should do?
What?
Let the comments decide. Should we put a roof on the coaster?
Well, we are. Just this episode.
Yeah. Should we do it next episode? Should we?
I say yes.
I say yes. But let's.
Okay, then we're doing it.
Okay. That's
Don't let
next.
the comments decide.
You guys have to stay tuned until next episode, though. Sorry.
Okay.
You guys just have to. And I'm actually not going to do hybrid coaster. I'm doing 40 coaster. You know, you don't need the straight up. So, let's try 40. 40 is honestly probably my favorite coaster. Like, really.
Doggy is dying.
Okay, let's do testing. I can't get on. Oh god.
Okay, I'm gonna start putting the roof on.
Okay, well, the viewers are gonna have to wait till next episode though. Haha, I made you watch another video. Well, yeah, because this video is just too long. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.